What a chase! Watch how the owner and his dog create hilarious moments with water spray. A hilarious moment that made me laugh when his fish hunting concentration is interrupted by his friend. The result. Who knew dogs could be yoga teachers? Check out the cuteness. Who would have thought dogs could be this active when playing ball on the beach? See for yourself. See how a cute cat reacts to meeting a cat school statue. Is this a friend or foe? It's hilarious.
Thank you.